Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to express my personal views and analysis on a particular stock in the equity segment. This stock is giving fabulous return in 1 month holding, and even for intraday and BTST trading, this stock is giving very much trading opportunity. So we are going to gather more details on this stock before going to discussing about this stock. So I would like to express few points about the two kinds of trading tips we are offering through WhatsApp. One is Superfans option. In Superfans option, we used to give penny stocks in option segment, particularly in the stock option, with the entry and target. So penny stock is nothing but the option premiums ranging from 10 paise, 20 paise, like that up to 90 paise, less than 1 rupee. Such kind of stock option trading tips with entry and target will be given in the live market. So this is one, and along with this we also give low budget option trading in stock option. Low budget means to take one lot of option trading, a sum of 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or sometimes 2500 rupees is just enough. Such kind of stock option trading tips with entry and target will also be given in the live market. And along with this we also give trading tips or investment tips in equity segments, in penny stocks in equity for long-term wealth making. Penny stocks in equity for long-term wealth making is nothing but stock prices ranging from 5 paise to 20 rupees. So these stocks are not familiar. These stocks may grow in a huge level in future. So it is better if interested you can buy and stay invested in these stocks for few years. So by this way you can make a great fortune for you and your family. So to take these three types of trading tips, the subscription is 799 per month. You can remit the subscription either by GPay or PhonePe or Paytm or Amazon Pay to the WhatsApp number of Bull Street. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. So another type of trading tips is for equity. See, this is Superfans equity. Suppose few people may have sufficient amount of capital, working capital, reserve capital, but they don't want to take a risk at all. So they fear to take risk, but they are very much interested to trade on positional basis with safe trade. So for to take such kind of safe trade, we used to give two kinds of trading tips. One is investment calls. So you can invest certain stocks in equity for very short term, like a BTST or few days holding or 1 week or 2 weeks holding. Such kind of investment calls will be given with the entry and target. So along with this, we also give trading calls in equity with entry and target. So this may be rarely intraday and purely positional basis, BTST in positional basis. So for to make safe trading. So the subscription for Superfans equity is also 799 per month. The similar way you can remit subscription to this Superfans equity. So I suggest you that you can subscribe to both the groups, Superfans option and Superfans equity. Now let us go into the video. So in this video I am going to express my personal views for academic learning purpose. The stock name is GG Ventures. The GG Ventures is not a new stock. The old name of the stock is Gwalior Chemical Industries Limited. So on the day which I am recording this video, I have seen that the stock price is trading around 166 rupees, and the same day it made a high about 169.90 rupees. Now considering the 1 month high and 1 month low, let us arrive the percentage of gain if a person is holding approximately for a 1 month period, provided if he bought the stock at these two approximate levels, approximate prices. Considering the 1 month high and low, the 1 month high is 169 rupees 90 paise and 1 month low is 110 rupees 30 paise. So comparing these two values, we can arrive the percentage of gain to hold 1 month of the stock is about 54%. So imagine such a fabulous gain, fabulous growth. So 54% in within a month means even in derivative segment, even in options, we may not get always this kind of result. So for a passive trading, for a short-term holding, the stock is giving about 54%. Now let us discuss about the what the company is doing. The company is having a wide diversified portfolio as they are in the field of real estate and wind energy and finance. They says that they have a land parcel at Maharashtra. Anytime they may in cash, they may monetize the land parcel. And another fabulous point is this company is already launched Cloud. The name of Cloud 36. Cloud 36 is a high-rise apartment which has 36-story building. So these at the Navi at Mumbai. So these are the fabulous positive points about this stock. So one can consider, see, this is a earlier this is a chemical industry, Gwalior Chemical Industries Limited. Now see the diversification, how the people are emerging, how the people are migrating from one domain to another domain. Anyhow, but we are all investors and traders. We don't bother about what they are doing at their factory, at their company, at their corporates. But we are only targeting. We are only looking into the profits. How we can tap from the market. So what I can say that you can place this stock in your trading watch window trading screen. So daily you can watch the stock. If you are interested, you can trade or buy and hold this stock. I'm not recommending this stock, as I said always. So this is my knowledge sharing for academic learning purpose. So this is about the GG Venture stocks. So I request, if you are interested, you can subscribe to both the WhatsApp group, the Superfans option as well as Superfans equity. Subscribe as early as possible, because we can make our attempt to create wonders in July month series. So already July month series has started. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.